In this guide, we will explore essential details about the 2019 Ford Flex fuse box. Where can you locate the fuse box in your vehicle? And how do you interpret the fuse box diagram? What are the different fuse functions and their corresponding locations? Power distribution box. The 2019 Ford Flex power distribution box provides centralized control over fuses and relays for essential vehicle systems, ensuring reliable power flow. It safeguards circuits for features like lighting, engine control, and climate systems. Accessible under the hood, it enables quick troubleshooting and component replacement. Passenger compartment fuse panel. The 2019 Ford Flex passenger compartment fuse panel manages and protects circuits for interior features like the radio, power windows, and dashboard displays. It's conveniently located under the dashboard for easy access and maintenance.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on 2019 Ford Flex fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.